Hello club members, Jason Higgins, maintenance officer for the RFTS Flying Club, here to talk about our maintenance cart that we've got set up. So on our maintenance cart we've got a ground power unit, sometimes called an accessory power unit, APU, GPU. This one has 12 and 24 volt capability. We have a checklist that is followed with the use of that ground power unit. I'm not going to go over the specific usage of that. For now, anyone that's using it needs to receive training from one of our CFIs. We'll hopefully get a video up of the specific usage of that unit. But for now, just some basics. There's a checklist for 0 Papa Lima and 05 Juliet. 0 Papa Lima's 24 volt system. The Skycatcher's 12 volt. There's a voltage switch on it, a power switch. It plugs into regular 110 power and has a power adapter that plugs into the aircraft. So again, if you have interest in using that, please be sure to consult with a CFI and get checked out on specific usage on that. Also on our maintenance cart, we have set up a compressor. Here, this is it's not a battery powered compressor like our the little one that we were using. So you got to plug that in with an extension cord. The power switch on it here is on the far side next to the air line output. It has a output gauge on it. You can just leave that set to where it's at. You don't need to adjust the gauge. And we have an air nozzle here to inflate the tires, which just has a quick connect fitting. And when you inflate the tires, so we've got a straight extension on that. Hopefully that will make it easier to inflate tires on the underneath the wheel pan. So in order to inflate a tire under the wheel pan, you want to, it's easier with 2 people, have someone pull the aircraft and someone watch the air nozzle on the tire and roll the aircraft forward until that nozzle is in a convenient position, either at the bottom underneath the pants or on 0 Papa Lima at the little door for that. So this air nozzle is going to give you an indication of your pressure as you hook it up. This, I can't pull it out right now, but there's a gauge will pop out and give you an approximate tire pressure. That's good enough to get close, but in order to get a more accurate pressure on the tires, what you're going to want to do is inflate it to a level that's close using that pressure gauge, and then use this more accurate pressure gauge here, which is also on the maintenance cart. There's an air nozzle here you can hook up if you need to blow something off. Convenient for cleaning out the gas jars. If we have any contaminants in that, you can blow them out with that air nozzle. There's also a couple screwdrivers in there. Right now I've printed out a sheet. Eric Wheaton, our APIA, has given me the tire pressures for each of our aircraft. They're different for each aircraft. Right now I just have a printed out piece of paper here I'm going to put on the maintenance cart. I'll get this laminated so we have a more permanent, durable copy of that available. So again, if you have any questions, please contact me. Pretty self-explanatory usage here, I think. If you have any reservations on using it, contact me and I'd be happy to go over it and show you how to use it one-on-one.